Welcome to Dream Space, the show that brings you the latest trends and ideas for creating the perfect master bedroom. In today's episode, we will delve into the world of modern bed design, showcasing the most innovative and stylish options. Join us as we explore the possibilities of transforming your master bedroom into a haven of comfort and sophistication. I am your host, and let's get started. Our first modern bed design is all about sleek minimalism. Clean linen, simple shapes, and a neutral color palette define this style. Picture a platform bed with a low profile featuring a headboard that seamlessly blends into the frame. This design provides an open and uncluttered look, perfect for those who appreciate a minimalist aesthetic. Combining functionality and style, this modern bed is a versatile choice for any master bedroom. If you are seeking a touch of luxury in your master bedroom, consider a bed with luxurious upholstery. Imagine a plush padded headboard in rich velvet or high quality leather. This design not only adds an element of opulence but also enhances the comfort of your sleeping environment. The softness of the upholstery create a cozy and inviting ambiance, making your bed the focal point of the room. For a truly eye-catching and modern bed design, let's explore the concept of floating bed. This design gives the illusion that your bed is suspended in mid-air, adding an element of elegance and sophistication to your master bedroom. With hidden support and minimalist frame, a floating bed appears weightless and effortlessly stylish. This design allows for more floor space, giving your bedroom a spacious and airy feel. Modern beds are not just about aesthetic, they also embrace innovative technology. Enter the world of smart beds. These cutting edge design combined with integrated features such as adjustable positions, built in speakers, ambient lighting, and even wireless charging pads. You can control these features through a smartphone app or voice command, creating a personalized and convenient sleeping experience. Our final modern bed design takes inspiration from nature. Imagine a bed with a wooden frame showcasing the natural beauty of wood grain, incorporating organic element into your master bedroom. Design can create a tranquil and grounding atmosphere. Pair this bed with earth-tooth bedding, botanical print, and potted plant to complete the nature-inspired look. In previous video, we discussed about the all wood bed design. So please visit our previous wood bed design video. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of modern bed design for your dream worthy master bedroom. Whether you prefer sleek minimalism, luxurious uh, upholstery, floating elegance, smart features, or nature inspired element. There's a modern bed designed to suit your taste and lifestyle. Remember, a well designed bed set the tone for your entire bedroom, creating a space that is both stylish and comfortable. Join us next time on Dream Space as we continue to inspire you with more exciting ideas for your home. Before we wrap up, I had like to invite you to explore more inspiring videos. On our channel, we have a treasure trove of architectural wonders, interior design tips, and much more waiting for you. Be sure to check out our other video by clicking on the playlist in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to fuel your creative aspiration. Dive into our channel and discover a world of endless possibilities. Thank you for being a part of our community, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more home decor inspiring ideas.